Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to justify your text in Adobe InDesign. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Adobe InDesign software and follow the simple steps. Here I have this empty document that or where I'm going to show you how to justify your text. So the first thing that I will do is to create a text holder or a text box here in the document, and I'm going just to add or just place it fill with the placeholder text, and let's just resize our text to be visible like this. Now we have this text here. So basically now we have this text and we want to justify it. To do this operation, we will need to have the paragraph section or the paragraph panel. If you don't have this properties panel or the paragraph section, you can do one of these two things. Either to add the properties panel, you will need to have the properties panel. Go to Windows and click on properties, and you will have the paragraph section. Or you can just have the paragraph section by going to window and type in tables, search for paragraph, and here you will have the paragraph section that is isolated or here. So basically now we need to select our text box where we are holding the text. Now those are all the justifications or all the text justifications options that are available in Adobe InDesign. So basically you can either center it, justify with line centered, or you can have it in the right, on the left, so however you want your text. So basically you can choose any type of justification. Here you can do the same, and now you can justify your text however it is that is you like, or that you will like to justify your text. So basically those are the ways and the steps to justify your text on Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching and see you next time.